see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause
cute ng dalawa. Diba? Nag-uuna na naman silang dalawa. Kumuha ng kanilang mini cart. Hinugasan. Winipe na nila yun. Nauna pa sila sa akin. Okay, oops. Binigyan ako ni Sak na isa. Okay. Unahin muna namin bago yung fruits and vegetables. Unahin muna namin yung mga drinks. Ito gustong gusto ni Sak yung up and go na strawberry. Okay. Yeah. Alright, okay. Let's go. Kuha tayo ng V8. Which one do you like, Sak? Breakfast, tropical, or appleberry? This one?
I like this one.
You want this one?
I like this one. I call his like the one who likes it.
Set ang kunin. Dalawa nito.
Of the pig berry.
Dalawa. Ito yung inumin ni Johnny Boy.
I love like Mom, next is gonna be my
So, tatlo lang ang kunin natin. Kasi meron pa siya doon na Coke at saka Sprite. Kuha tayo nitong long life. Dalawa nito. One.
Mom.
Two. Yes, Holly.
Can I have this please?
Okay, get strawberry. Messy monkeys. Ako na.
Got it.
Okay, put in your cart. How about Musak? Yeah. Kuha ko nitong skin na. Kuha ko ng Yakult. Yes.
I like it.
Yoga, yeah. Etong potato stick. Chicken.
Mom,
Yes.
dinosaur.
What dinosaur?
Dinosaur. This
Okay, get one. Just one.
one. Can we get some roll-ups?
Yeah, get roll-ups.
Roll-ups.
Okay, which one?
Me. This is me.
Okay. We get one of this and then the regular one.
No, is this a rainbow?
Yeah.
Yeah, I want the rainbow. No, actually, tattoo.
Huh?
One in mine.
Which one?
I want the tattoo one.
Oh, okay. Get that three. Come on.
Tattoo.
It's alright. Eto, gusto raw to ni Sak. Etong snack.
My time.
Meron akong baon ni Tita. Baka magustuhan to ng mga bata. Etong mini rice cake, triple berry yogurt. Nasa ano siya? O separate ba? Ayan o. Ipatry ko to sa kanila. Dito na lang. Dalawain ko na. Dalawain ko na ito. Kasi feeling ko naman magugustuhan to ni si Holly ba? Pambaon-baon niya. Naubusan na sila ng vitamins. Ito yung Nature's Way. Akin na. Yeah, the vitamins is so you want this one now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mama,
Alright.
thank you.
Where is your yogurt here?
I
What
like
yung
a
yogurt?
blueberry.
Okay. Alam nyo na to yung vanilla tsaka raspberry na yogurt. Dito ko to ilagay sa ibabaw. And si Sa, kumukuha siya ng mousse, yung minion. Which one?
I want this.
Banana and apple?
And the apple.
Okay, ang dami niya pang gusto. Mango. This is mango. Okay.
Yeah, I want-
Ito naman, 5 mangoes and 5 bananas. Yes?
Blueberries.
No, not yet. Wait.
Right.
Gusto niya ng apples din. Wait, Baba. Then, 5 strawberries. Oh, kumuha na siya. Careful. So, 5 strawberries, 5 apples. Ayan, tigli-5 sila. Lahat ng flavor. And ayun, kumuha na siya ng isang blueberry. So, bali, 6 na blueberries. Okay, come on. Kuha tayo ng isang Nipis orange juice. Which one? That one? The original. Okay. The black label. Okay. Yeah. 5-star yan. Healthy yan kaysa dito. Hindi ko alam kung ilang star to eh. Walang nakalagay. Okay, come on. Yes. Kuha tayo ng carrots. Dito na tayo sa mga vegetables and fruits. What?
Look, Mom.
Yeah. It's alright. May nakakita siyang nakamas. Tinuturo niya. Kuha ko ng corn. Sweet corn. Continental na cucumber. Meron pa ata ako nito sa bahay. Pardon? No, it's not a poison. Kuha ko ng 3 avocado. Malalaki sila ngayon. Yung ano to, ano bang ano siya? Hash avocado. 2. 3. Tapos etong brushed potatoes. Gilid. Tingnan nyo yung 2. Oy, stop please. Kuha tayo ng ginger. Hatiin lang natin to kasi sobrang laki naman. Wala na tayong ganap. Parang ayaw niya naman magpahati. Wait lang. What happened? How?
She just turned.
See, I told you to be careful, Holly. Umiiyak siya. Habang, eto kasi, hinahati ko, narinig ko na lang si Holly. Did you hurt yourself? Huh?
He cried because he,
Huh?
he cried because he took the collar off that fell.
Okay. Huh. Talaga na siya ni Kuya. Okay, just be careful. Come on. Yes? Bananas? Alright. Naalala niya yung bananas. Okay, let's get bananas. Ito tayong bananas. Napakita ko ba sa inyo yung ano, ginger? Ito yung pinutol kong ginger. Oh. Do you have a good one? No, I want the small one only. No, not that one. Yeah, this one. Oh, no, other one. That.
Thank you for the vitamin. For that, that's what I.
Okay.
For that.
Ako nitong tig-isa, isang red na capsicum, tapos isang green. Para tayo ng mushroom. Nakita na ulit kami ni Pirino. 2 na yung kunin ko. Kuha ulit ako ng apple, sabi ni Sak. Okay, green apples. Pili lang tayo. Ayun, yun pa naman yung may parang may freckles. Okay, ito si Granny. Granny. Ha? Meron silang lychee. Pili tayo. $12 a kilo. Pili ako. Kasi yung iba, tingnan nyo, oh, parang nabubulok na. Dito tayo sa kabila. Pili lang ako. Meron silang ano, ganito. Nakapack na ba? 400 grams. So, eto na. Kasi chinek ko, okay naman siya. Compare dito, oh, inaamag na. So, eto na lang kunin natin na lychees. Yung kunin kong grapes. Ay, mahulog sila. Ito, yes, baby. Itong mix. Yeah, we're gonna get watermelon. Check ko lang to. Wait lang. Hanap lang ako. Kasi meron siyang iba-iba. Mix na yung grapes. So, kailangan natin siyang i-check. Wait lang, guys. Maghanap lang ako ng maganda. So, ito yung magandang klaseng seedless mixed grapes. Okay, lagyan natin siya dyan. And kuha rin ako ng watermelon. Pili lang tayo yung mapula. Ayan. Eto, kunin natin. Maliit siya. Wait lang. So, ito yung kukunin ko. Kuha ko nitong kalahating crack melon and kalahating honeydew melon. Ito. Pili tayo. Ito. And dalawang blueberries. Pili lang ako. Ayan, isa. Dalawa. Kuha ko ng, eto ba, yung dates. So, pinasok ko na lang yung kamay ko dito sa plastic and kuha na lang tayong, malaglag yung cupcake. Ayan. Eto lang naman. Kuha ko ng broccoli. Dalawang ulo. So, ito yung dalawang ulo ng broccoli. Tingnan nyo yung dalawa. May nakita sila. Nakikita nila yung sarili nila dyan sa screen. Okay, come on. Sabi ni Sak, not gold kiwi. Si Kuya, mas gusto niya na. Balik na si Kuya sa green kiwi. So, green kiwi. Yeah? Oh, yeah, I can hear it. Kuha ko ng lemon kasi ubos na yung lemon ko. Meron pa akong lime pero lemon wala na. Kuha tayo ng ito yung beef mince, yung lean ba. Siyempre kuha tayo ng silver side. And kuha ko ng organic tofu, yung firm. Kuha tayo ng sliced cheese. Dito na tayo sa deli. Kuha tayo ng smiley frites. Thank you. Ito yung free. Tig-isa sila. Wait. Yours is coming. Yes, thank you. And okay, pakuha rin ako ng Frankfurt cocktail. 1 kilo niyan. And kumuha rin ako na 1 kilo of sticky bacon. So, eto na yung mga nakuha natin dito sa deli. Kuha rin ako nito. Ito yung salami platter. Iniingatan ko na hindi mabugbog yung fruits natin. So, dito na lang siya sa gilid. Kuha ulit ako ng isa pang Yakult. Kasi ako nag-Yakult din ako. No, chips. Come on. Find your snacks. Kasi kulang pa yung snacks nila. Ha? Wala pa rin iba. Ganun pa rin yung mga nandito. Do you want shapes, ha? Huh? Okay, get one. We already have that one.
No, I don't eat it.
That's right. No, because yeah, Sak doesn't eat a peckish. Which one? This one or cheddar?
No, there's one over here, Mom.
Salt and vinegar.
Mom, I finished these. No, but that does.
Okay, get one.
Mom, we already got them.
It's finished.
No, it isn't.
There's only 2 left. Ito yung inahanap ni Sak, yung 100 and 1,000 na Arnott's.
Could we try these? No, I don't.
You don't eat that one. You only get, kinukuha niya lang yung palaman. Nasasayang yung biscuit na. Yeah. Do you need tumbler, Sak?
Yeah.
A new one? Kasi luma na yung kanya. You sure?
There's only in that other drink bottle,
Yeah.
like you know on top that we drink.
Yeah.
Oh, big one.
Okay. Do you want that color?
Yeah.
Ito naman ang isa. Oh, may nakita lang siyang purple.
Wait, what?
Ito ba, lalagyan ng fruits.
One of these ones.
Wow, grabe naman yan. Sak, pang soup yan.
How much one?
Pang soup yan, Sak. That's for soup. Oh, si Holly. Okay, wait lang. Is that the color you want, Sak, or you want gray? Sak,
I like blue.
you want blue? Why you have two?
This one. Kuya. Mom, my t-shirt.
Kuya TJ? No, that's for drinking. Okay, Sak, what? Can you choose what you want? What color do you want for your fruits? Yeah. Ito kasi meron na siyang ano, fork. Do you want this? Okay. Okay, put that one here, Holly. Ito kaya, sa ano naman to, sa yogurt to. You're welcome. You're welcome. Okay. That's it? How about this one, Sak? Tumbler. Glass bottle. Ah, no, it's glass. Ah, no, it's not glass. It's plastic. Glass taste.
Wait.
So, which one you want?
We want a silver one.
Yeah, so, what do you want? Ang tagal na naman niya makapili. Oh, diba? Ano? Hurry up. That one? Alright, okay. Oh, that's not. Tingnan mo. That's not for fruit. That's for soup.
That's for coffee.
Yeah. Or, no, that's not for coffee, Holly. Hindi pa rin siya tapos. Oh. I know.
Look,
Yes. Yep. Okay.
this one is better.
You want that one better? Which one? I don't know. It's up to you.
That one has a button.
Diba? Ano kaya yung pipiliin niya? Ah, binalik niya yung una niyang nakuha. Tingnan mo yung isa, nag-change naman siya. Parehong kulay lang din. Okay. Oh, ano basak? That color, okay. Oh, okay. Oh, come on.
What?
Hinahawakan niya pa yun. Okay? Okay.
Okay.
This is good because they are match. Blue. Okay? Ayan yung sisak. Bumalik ulit siya doon. It's alright. Come here. Hinahanap ko yung balsamic vinegar kasi diba naubusan ako ng balsamic vinegar. Ito. Yung malaki na yung kunin ko.
Would I do this?
Yeah. So, diba? Iniingatan ko yung fruits na wag mabugbog. Hey, Sak. Ay, ayoko to kay Sak. Dito na lang.
Mom, this is
Naghahanap ako ng mas malaking jar ng onion powder. Pero meron lang sila yung maliit. Ito meron pa ako itong garlic powder. Meron sila ito yung flakes.
this.
What?
Say that. You can that's for this.
Yeah.
For fruit, and
Yeah.
you can put one
Yogurt, yeah. But we're not gonna put yogurt, just fruits.
just fruit. And
Yeah. So, ito na lang. Kuha ko nitong isa, yung iceberg na lettuce. Dito ko na to sa ibabaw ilagay. Kuha ko nitong sourdough. Dito na lang siya sa ibabaw. So, tapos na tayo dito sa Coles. Bayad na tayo. Si Sak na, una na. Okay, go, Sak. Ha? Okay, go. Kuha na rin ako nitong morning fresh. Malapit lang siya dito sa cashier. Oh. Nakapila na si Holly doon. Oh. Ha? Dito ko ilagay. For what? No. Alright. And eto yung Pine Oakley na disinfectant wipes. Kuha na rin ako nitong isa. Kasi malapit lang siya. Nandito na siya sa may cashier. Dito ko siya ilagay. What's that, Sak? I cannot hear you. Mahaba kasi yung pila, oh. I know. Si Holly andun sa harapan. Thanks, Baba. Cute ni Holly. Nihila niya yung cart ni Sak kasi si Sak andun naman siya sa may mga PS card. Yung gift card ba? No, you're not. Sak. Sak. Holly. Holly. Thank you. You too. Tapos na tayo dito sa Coles. Meron isang bag doon kay Sak and same dito kay little girl. Meron din siyang isa and eto may dalawang nakasabi. Okay. Wash your hands, Baba. Oops. I know. Okay, wait lang. May car pa. Okay, go, Sak. Go, Holly. Okay, follow Kuya Sak. Okay. Dip na si Sak. Okay, Sak.
Oh, I forgot to do it.
Okay.
Mom, can you get me up?
You don't have to, Baba. Kuya Sak is there. Yeah, of course. You have to stand up. Ito naman, pinipilit niyang mag-ano.
Get up.
Hindi niya mabuhat si Holly na nandun siya. Go up, Baba. Okay. Alright, ipasa ko to sa kanila. You have one here, Sak.
But what
And this is light. Huh?
am I gonna get?
Here. Here's for you.
Thanks. Where can I put it?
All the way at the back.
Back.
Careful, Baba. This is heavy. This is for Kuya Sak. This is for you.
That's his present.
No, that's heavy. This is for you, Holly.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All the way at the back, please.
And I think I'll put some on my loaf bag.
All right. Oh, don't put on top. Okay.
What else?
All right. Huh?
What else?
What else? Cannot do that, Holly. That's for Kuya Sak. Last one. All right. Okay. Come out now. Okay, come on. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Sumakit yung likod ni Sak. Okay.
Wait, Mom, I can do something. I can shut it.
Okay.
Watch me.
Okay, I'll watch you. Can you remove that one first, Sak? Wait, wait.
I'll be right.
Alright. Gusto niya siya yung magsara. Okay. Thank you. Alright. Bye na kami. Tinatanggal na ni Sak yung seatbelt ni Holly. Nakatulog si Holly. Baba, we're here. Ibababa lang namin ni Sak yung grocery. Okay, come on, let's go, Sak. Boy, don't. Boy. Baba.
Yeah, she's
You're smiling now. Hi. Anong good night?
I don't want to help.
Ayaw niya rin tumulong. Sabi ni Sak, you're gonna help us, baby. Okay, come on now. Come on. Let's go.
You saw my foot.
May ilaw na kasi nakapasok kami sa garage and di ko na sabi yung date. Today is February 6. 6.
Oh, yeah, 6.
February 6. Yeah. Yeah, February 6, Saturday. So, i-end ko na yung vlog.
It's Mom's birthday.
Yeah. I-end ko na yung vlog kasi magpuput away lang naman ako. Oh, yeah. Okay, thank you guys. Okay, let's close.
Please like, please subscribe. You haven't yet.
See you on our next vlog.
Bye.
Good night. Piniman ko pa siya ng gamot. Okay.
Bye. Love you so much.